My name's Mike Hugh. I'm the incoming chair of AFIRE. I'm very bullish on sports and real estate. And I think a couple of reasons why you should look into sports is one, there's scarcity value. Two, it's uncorrelated with the markets. Three, it's actually outperformed the S&P 500 over long periods of time. And four, there's little to no leverage when you buy sports teams, specifically around the 5 North American leagues. This is a combination of buying into a portfolio of existing assets that own sports teams and real estate, so including the stadiums. I think being able to control the stadium and in youth sports, right, the youth sports facilities, right, you go to a place like St. James here outside in Virginia, some of these youth sports facilities might have 20, 30 soccer fields, multiple baseball fields, et cetera. That type of parcel of land can generate, I think, quite substantial cash flow. And so sometimes it includes the youth sports facilities plus maybe an adjacent limited service hotel next to that property. So there's a lot of these things that I think could be quite interesting in the future. You'll see more and more institutional investors look at stuff in sports. Historically, it's been limited to just billionaire family offices. About 5 years ago, they allowed private equity to invest into sports. And now you're seeing a shift. And I think you're going to continue to see that shift over the next 10 years. And now that institutional investors are just starting to get into it, I think you will continue to see institutional investors and large family offices allocate a portion of their strategy and capital in the future to sports and or real estate adjacent to sports because it's actually generating alpha for their portfolio. Probably less than 5% of this room of AFIRE is even thinking about it. And that's why I like it. Like no one's really looking at it.